Introducing TREMproof FCW Cementitious Waterproofing. TREMproof FCW is a flexible, two-component cementitious waterproofing coating with polymer resin and quartz fillers. Here's how to apply TREMproof FCW. First and most important step, clean the substrate to maximize the quality of the TREMproof FCW. Step number 2, water saturation. Thoroughly dampen the surface with clean water. Allow it to stand for 2 to 3 minutes or until the surface appears dry to the touch. Step number 3. The ratio of part B is 26 kilograms, while the ratio of part A is 10 kilograms. And then mix thoroughly the two components. Step number 4. For the first coating, apply the TREMproof FCW longitudinally or lengthwise onto the substrate. Then, let it cure for 2 to 3 hours before applying the second coat. Step number 5. Apply the second coat to the substrate transitionally or horizontal with equal coverage to ensure proper waterproofing and performance. For the last step, let the TREMproof FCW to cure overnight before proceeding to water ponding test. Call us now or message us today.